All right, so we're going to look at what is called the interior sum formula in this video. We're going into polygons on this one. So if we have a convex polygon, which this is another vocabulary word. So convex means that we have no points going inside. So it's like a rectangle or an octagon, but there's no corners that are on the inside. They're all kind of outside. So it's more of a regular shape that we're used to looking at here. And when we're saying it has n sides, so the formula gives us the sum, which is s, of the measure of all of its interior angles in degrees. So s, which is, remember, the interior sum, is equal to 180 times n minus 2, and n is the number of sides. So if I know the number of sides, I can figure out what they all add up to, all of the angles. This is not one of them, this is all of the angles, the interior angle sum. So finding the sum of the interior angle measures of a convex polygon given the number of sides. So we're going to find the sum of the interior angle measures of a convex 18gon. So whenever they do this, it just doesn't have a specific name, so it's an 18-sided polygon. Okay. If they give you a specific name, then you just need to look it up. If you're not sure how many sides it has, you may need to look up the name. You know, if it says hexagon or dodecahedron or something like, well, it wouldn't say dodecahedron, but decagon is what it would say. Sorry, dodecahedron is a three-dimensional figure. We're going to look at the sum for an 18-sided figure. So I know it's 180, and I know it's going to be minus 2. Those are automatic pieces of my formula. What I'm going to fill in is the n. Well, that's 18, right? Because that's my 18 sides. So I'm going to go 18 minus 2, and I get 16. And 16 times 180 is 2,880. So that's my interior angle sum. I'm all done there. All right, so we're going to do one more of these, but now we're going to find the number of sides given the interior angle sum. So we're going to kind of go backwards from this. So the sum of the interior angle measures of a convex polygon is 720 degrees. So I already know how much they all add up to. So how many sides does it have? So we're going to use that same formula, that sum, interior angle sum equals 180 times n minus 2, but now I'm going to fill in the sum. So I know it's 720 equals 180 times n minus 2. So now I'm going to distribute the 180, okay? So I have 180 times n, and 180 times 2, I have 180n and 360. So now I can start to solve this. I'm going to add 360 to both sides, so that because I'm starting to get n by itself. So 720 plus 360 is 1,080, said that funny, equals 180n that just dropped down here. 360 negative and 360 positive, those cancel out. So my last step is just to divide by 180. And this is going to tell me how many sides I have. So if I divide by 180, I get 6. So 6 equals n. So this is a 6-sided figure. All right, so that is using the interior angle sum formula to either find the interior angle sum or the number of sides of a polygon. I hope that helped, and I'll see you on the next video.